kitchen and we're making pastrami. Vlogmas.
What'd you get?
Gigantic brisket.
Can you show us it? Whoa.
This is what you call big hog.
Where did you get it from?
Macelleria. About to brine this thing for 10 to 14 days. Expletives, so I need you to maybe turn off the camera. Made a mistake. I misread the pickling spice for the pickling salt. And put 2 cups in instead of 2 tablespoons.
Oh, did you buy that in the store?
I bought that off Amazon.
Well, I mean, the good news is at least the meat's not in it.
This is one of the biggest disasters I've ever done in my kitchen. Alright, ladies and gents, we're back on track. Pickling salt.
Would you like to say happy Vlogmas?
Happy Vlogmas. In the spirit of Vlogmas, we're using some pickling salt. Or, geez, not salt. Pickling seasoning, spice. And it smells like Christmas.
'Tis the season. What is the recipe you're following?
Meat Church. Shout out Meat Church.
Meat Church for military. All right, what'd you just do?
We're dissolving the sugar, dissolving the salt, the spices. Here's the meat. It's in the vessel. Just waiting for this to cool. We're gonna pour it over our brisket. It's molten hot.
We should put our mistletoe right there. No, the arch. That's the best spot. What's your second favorite Christmas movie? We know you like The Grinch.
You can go all the way.
Who's in that one?
Omelet.
Very exciting. My wide angle lens came in. Definitely zoomed out. Wow, cool. I got black and I have a white camera. What are you doing?
Pastrami.
Wait, maybe untuck your shirt.
It's just the way I am.
There you go. Okay, how many days has it been marinating?
I don't know, I lost count. 2 weeks.
We are about 2 weeks after our initial video recording. Nolan's doing something to the pastrami, but we ran into an issue. Another one. Because if you remember, issue number 1 is Nolan poured a whole thing of, what was that?
Not say all of the things that we messed up. Let's pretend that we did it good.
But now, we don't know, so this thing needs to go on the smoker for 18 hours. We might not have enough pellets. Someone might have to run to the BX tomorrow to get some more.
Spice.
Teeny tiny piece of meat. And now's a great time for our favorite Christmas thing of the video. What is your favorite Christmas food?
Me?
Yes!
Ham.
Nolan's is ham. And a funny story about Gunny is on his first Christmas, he jumped up and started eating the ham and he almost got us kicked out of Christmas at Nolan's parents' house. My favorite is Cardiff crack. And what's the next step?
Season this down.
Coffee grounds?
Coffee grinder and then just put these peppercorns in it.
He is the assistant grill master. Time's it.
Grilled pattern. Truth. Well, the jury's still out. We'll see.
So, did you have enough pellets?
No pellets.
What'd you do?
Finish her off in the oven.
For how long?
Borderline disaster. Obviously, we persevered. Once again, credit to my assistant grill master. He's already tried it, he liked it.
He did? I'm gonna try it. Do you like it?
Well, you have to, depending on what piece you get,
Oh gosh.
one's gonna be salty.
I just grabbed one. Wow. Thoughts on making pastrami?
Pretty good. Took a while, but worth it.
Have you tried it yet?
Just pieces, not the sandwich yet.
Thanks so much for watching Cooking Pastrami with Chef Noel. Hope you like this one and see you tomorrow.